In modern life, we're constantly exposed to toxins from pollutants and processed foods. When these substances build up, they can make you feel sluggish, bloated, or off, even if you're getting enough sleep and managing stress. But what if there was a simple, natural way to hit the reset button and restore your body's balance? Your body is a finely tuned machine, but when toxins accumulate, they act like grit in the gears, slowing everything down. This buildup can lead to a cascade of health issues. You might experience persistent fatigue and apathy, or notice changes in your appearance like graying skin, brittle hair, and splitting nails. Digestive problems, such as bothersome constipation, are also common red flags. The problem is, even with a healthy diet and regular exercise, you can't completely avoid all environmental toxins. This is why your body often needs a little extra help to clear out the junk and get back to a healthy state. This is where vital fiber comes in. Fiber is a natural substance that acts as an effective broom for your insides. It doesn't just mask the symptoms. It works by supporting your body's natural cleansing organs. By improving digestion and accelerating the removal of harmful waste, vital fiber helps unlock your body's ability to detoxify itself. The benefits of a fiber-rich regimen extend beyond just cleansing. It can lead to a noticeable improvement in your overall health and well-being. From better-looking skin and hair to a more regular digestive system and even easier weight loss. Fibre Select is a premium fiber supplement designed for effective cleansing. It stands out due to its powerful blend of natural ingredients, including apple fiber and plantain seed husk for digestion, guar gum for fullness, and inulin and oligofructose for gut health. The product is also pure, safe, and convenient to use, with a neutral taste and a formula that delivers noticeable results quickly and improves over time with consistent use. Imagine waking up feeling lighter, more energetic, and ready to take on the day. Your digestive system is running smoothly, your skin has a healthy glow, and you're feeling more confident in your own body. This isn't just a pipe dream, it's what happens when you remove the toxins that have been holding you back. With Fibre Select, you're not just buying a product, you're investing in a renewed sense of vitality. Thanks to a money-back guarantee, you have nothing to lose and a whole lot of well-being to gain. Ready to start your journey to a cleaner, healthier you?